So guys, hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Guys, we've done about 1.5 kilometers, so we have another 1.5 kilometers to go, so let's keep on going. Alright guys, we finished with our bike ride. That was an awesome trip. Well, we were just bike riding around Deer Park. It was a pretty fun adventure. We went around 3 different streets, and I was with my friend Armaan, and my brother was joining as well. But we had a good time. And also guys, before I end the video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. Hope we make it there one day. And guys, don't especially forget to like the video. And make sure you comment down below of anything that you would like. And any new videos that you would like from us. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Sheesh!